John 16, verse 22. So with you now is your time of grief, but I will see you again, and you will rejoice, and no one will take away your joy. A father is neither an anchor to hold us back nor a sail to take us there, but a guiding light whose love shows us the way. I lost my dad, but only in body, not in spirit. This was by far the most heart tripping and life altering experience I have endured. My dad passed away last year. I did not think it would come so soon. I was hoping I'd have more time to get acquainted with the idea of death and what it means for those of us left behind. Now I'm beginning to understand just how naive my existence was before I was forced to confront death's discourteous blow. While I hope you never have to experience such a life altering loss, the truth is we all will. Death is a part of life, and once it strikes someone you so dearly love, your existence will never be the same. I know the pain of losing my dad will perhaps never leave me. I imagine it will ease with time as I process and get through it, but I don't suspect I will get over it. How can you get over a person who has been there since before you were even aware of yourself? What is a measure of a man? Is it the amount of money he has, the possession he owns, the power he holds, or is it the professional success he's achieved over the years? I don't believe it is any of these things. The true measure of a man is how much love he gives, how selflessly he shares whatever he can to help others, how consistently he lifts up those around him with a kind word, a funny joke, a compliment, lending an humble ear, are the very shoes of his feet. By this measure, my dad was immeasurable. I had the privilege to be with him last year between the months of April to November. I left on November 13th and got the worst news of my life on November 21st. We had a great time on a houseboat in Kumaragam, backwaters during Manoj's wedding anniversary last year. And thanks to Manoj and Bindu. Dad and I had a great 39 days before I left on the 13th November, and by 21st is no more. Dad and I watched old Tamil movies which he loved, had a glass of beer without mom knowing. I attribute to my success in career and handling different nationalities by just looking at the way he went around life and his immense faith in God. Any good or bad news will be taken calmly by him with an answer, it's a will of God. Yes, it's a will of God. I love you, Daddy, but God loves you more. My mind still talks to you, my heart still looks for you, my soul knows you are at peace.